Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Volkswagen Sharan, ever popular 7-seat people carrier. This is a 2-litre TDI BLUEMOTION tech. It's an SE, it's Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. It's start-stop, 77,000 miles. Cam belt replaced at 56,000 miles. 6 services. Last serviced at 71,000 miles. Got a removable tow bar. Lovely thing. £11,595. Freezing cold climate control. Lovely metallic blue. Electric sliding side doors. Work off the key or off the handles. Aluminium roof rails. Front fogs, front and rear park sensors, privacy glass. Lovely alloy wheels, very nice paintwork. Removable tow bar is in the boot. Super clean inside. DAB radio, Bluetooth, nice leather steering wheel, piano black trims inside. Digital climate control. Pull the handle. Electric slide doors, very nice. Super clean inside. Lift this and you get your access. Oh, sorry, I leave the wrong handle there. Do that one. The whole seat folds up so you can access the 6th and 7th seats. Pull the handle and the door closes. In here, I've left the boot floor, there you go. So down in there is the removable tow bar. Lovely and clean. Can't see any dents or real scratches anywhere. Really well cared for a people carrier. Actually, doesn't really look like it's been sat in the back. Alloys. There you go. That's simple. Electric windows, electric mirrors, lumbar supports, part electric seats, automatic lights, flat bottom steering wheel, as I say, cruise control, DAB radio, Bluetooth, digital climate control, front and rear park sensors. Got the buttons on the centre console to open the slide doors electronically from inside the car. Very nice piece of carrier that. £11,595. Had the cam belt done, 77,000 miles. Drives like a new car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other cars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you go over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle to stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.